The New York criminal trial of former President Donald Trump now has 12 seated jurors, with more needed before the trial can begin. The jurors are 7 men and 5 women, including one who, during questioning, referred to the former president as selfish and self-serving, but also promised she could be impartial. CBS News correspondent Michael George has the latest from New York.
After another day of ups and downs in jury selection at Donald Trump's hush money criminal trial, the unprecedented case has a seated jury of 12. One of 6 alternates was chosen by day's end. Earlier, Judge Juan Merchan excused juror number 2, a nurse, who said she no longer believed she could be impartial. She said, quote, "Aspects of my identity have already been out there in public." Then the judge dismissed juror number 4, who had called Trump fascinating and mysterious, after it emerged someone with the same name was once arrested for allegedly ripping down conservative political posters, according to prosecutors.
There is this extra caution because you don't want to go through 6 weeks and all the expense of this and then have a problem with a juror that can cause a mistrial.
Trump is charged with falsifying business records to hide an alleged affair with adult film star Stormy Daniels ahead of the 2016 presidential election. He faces 34 charges and denies any wrongdoing.
You got a DA that's out of control. You have a judge that's highly conflicted.
Trump spoke to reporters as he leafed through news headlines about the case that marks the first time a former president faces criminal prosecution.
The whole world is watching this hoax.
The jury seated to decide Trump's fate includes multiple lawyers, a sales professional, a software engineer, and an English teacher. Prosecutors, meanwhile, asked for Trump to be held in contempt over a series of social media posts. The judge says he'll consider the matter next week. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
The judge banned reporters from identifying jurors' employers after expressing privacy concerns.